Okay, I am assure you that you can get paid $600 per day with YouTube Shorts if you just follow these videos. This video is going to be good and very amazing for you if you really want to conquer the shorts world and you make money for that definitely. So without killing, without wasting your time, this video is going to be very cool. You have to be attentive to watch these videos and just go over to YouTube. So as we are going to make YouTube shorts, we are going to YouTube. So if you just go over to YouTube and you just simply search for hashtag shorts is going to show all the results including hashtag shorts. So we are not interested to watch these videos, we are interested to this first result. If you just search for hashtag shorts, so this is the hashtag shorts sections. If you click on it, it will show the hashtag shorts sections. This is the shorts sections that is showing all the shorts video uploaded every day, and all those recent videos all are showcased in these shorts sections. And you can see that they have already 130 million videos out there from 8.6 million channels. So if you just go over to these video sections, you can see that these videos are really easy to make. And if you just go over to, we are not just like making a regular videos, we are making the videos that can make us money. So how we are going to make shorts videos that going to make us money? Make shorts videos not going to get approved by AdSense revenue, so we have to monetize it to make money from this. So we are going to search for like shorts plus keywords. So if you just, I have searched for fitness, but if you just simply write hashtag shorts and hit the plus icon, plus character, and you will see that Google already or YouTube already showing you all the possible keywords like weight loss, gadgets, motivations, travel, affiliate marketing, fitness, facts, luxury, you name it. You can just pick any topics. These all are very popular topics. So I choose fitness. So when I choose fitness, it's showing me all the fitness related shorts out there. So you can see that this is a really high and popular, high demand and popular niche. You can see that all these shorts are getting thousands of views every month. So opportunity is limitless here. So we are need to make shorts. We are not going to get anyone's shorts. We are going to make our own original short videos. So what for that, we need some topics. So we go over to Google and search for, I search for like best exercises to lower blood pressure. So I just picked any topic. You can pick any topic you want related to that niche you choose. So I choose best exercise to lower blood pressure. So if I search it like this, I found this first link where there is a good article and space saying me that this is the 6 best exercises to control your blood pressure, high blood pressure if you have. So this is a really good content that you can make shorts with. So simply you can see that they have 6 different points that you need to do to control your high blood pressure. So what we have to do now, we are going to make shorts around this topic. We are going to go over to Pixabay. This is the free image database of online. You can just use these copyright free images into your content without any hassles, without any worrying about any copyright issues. So we are searching for first items. There are 6 items. So first one is showing me that you need a moderate walking every day. It's like 10 minutes of moderate walking. So we search for like walking, and I found a walking image from Pixabay. So then I choose. Then the second point is you have to cycling every day. So I search for cycling and pick any cycling video. Then third is hiking. So we search for hiking and I pick this image as a hiking video and downloaded it to my computer. And then in the fourth point, they are saying that we need to trend milling or pedal pushings every day, and so we just pick a general trend mill video image from Pixabay. And then in the fifth point, we need weight training for our blood pressure to get lower, so we just pick this image for like weight training. And the sixth point is we need swimming, so I just pick a regular a swimming related image like this from Pixabay. So I pick 6 images for that 6 points, and now we're going to make this video. So we head on over to Canvas. As we know, this is the free platform for you to make video very easy. So we go over to video sections and click on, as we are making shorts, we need mobile optimized videos, so we click on mobile videos, and it will bring it to me to the canvas. So I have already make this video around these 6 images I have downloaded, and I have uploaded to the canvas editor window. And you can see that I just simply put some text in the above sections and below sections. I put the title of the image of the short video like 6 best exercise to control. You can just change it to anything interesting, anything more eye-catchy, but I just, for this video purpose, I picked the exact word: 6 best exercises, 6 best exercises to control high blood pressure. And in the bottom part, I choose I pick 6 templates. I choose first one, then I get the second image, and then pasted the second text and the third text and fourth text and so on. So if I just simply move on to the first section, you can see I have made an animations. It's just simply, you just click on create animate and it will be simple like this. It just in within seconds I have made a video specifying according to this, based on this article I made these videos, and you can see that it's already looking really good, and it's within seconds I made these videos. You just simply click any contents and hit animate, and you can just animate it any way you like. So definitely this is very easy. I have made a video from this article. So when I'm satisfied, I just click on download it to my PC. Now how we are going to make money, as this is not going to get AdSense approval, so we are making money using affiliate marketing. So yes, we are going over to clickbank.com. definitely we are using, this is a very trusted and popular affiliate marketing websites, and you just go over to Clickbank. I search for high blood pressure. You see that they have some, you can see already they have many products like this. You just search for your keywords and you will get it. I see that these products, 3 products are very simply very interesting to me, but those are $14 product, $13 product, but the third one is giving me $42. So you can go for any amount you want. The higher amount you will get the higher payment. So definitely I look for $42. So one customer only. If I just put that link, I hit promote and get that affiliate link, and when I upload it to your YouTube channel, I upload it to my YouTube channel, and when I publish that video, in the first comment I paste that affiliate link, and when people see my videos every day, thousands of peoples are watching my videos. Our video is focuses on high blood pressure, so people who are looking these videos are really want to get rid of high blood pressure. So definitely there is a big chance that they're going to click on your link, and when they buy, you get $42 per sale. So definitely this is a really good and big opportunity for you to make money online, and this video is going to stay forever, and it will get you people attractions every now and then. You can see that 2 days ago this video gets 22,000 views. So definitely opportunity is limitless. You can just don't make one video, you can make thousands of videos of it, and the thousands, you can't imagine how easy it is and how great it will be to, you can just simply achieve $600 or $1,000 every day using YouTube Shorts. More video you make and upload it to your YouTube channel, more opportunity you are opening to make you money. So definitely more videos you make, those videos is going to stay forever, and it will get you more opportunity, and it will bring more customer, and more traffic, more customers you have, there is a more opportunity, more, there's a more greater chance that those products are they're going to buy, and you will get money as a commissions. And so this is the way people are making thousands of dollars. Believe me, this is a pure working strategy. All you have to do is just be active, and money will always follow you. You can make $1,000 per day easily using YouTube Shorts. So definitely, if you just liking this method, just hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell, so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.